Welcome back. Today we're diving into the world of reliable and affordable SUVs. We're breaking down 6 incredible SUVs known for their dependability, longevity, and affordability. First up, we have a true icon, the Toyota RAV4. This compact SUV has been a favorite among drivers for years thanks to its blend of practicality and style. The RAV4 has earned a stellar reputation for its bulletproof reliability, consistently ranking high in dependability studies. It's not just a car, it's a trusted companion on the road. With its spacious interior, comfortable seating, and impressive fuel efficiency, it's a popular choice for families and adventurers alike. Whether you're heading out on a long road trip or just running errands around town, the RAV4 has got you covered. Toyota uses high-quality materials and rigorous testing to ensure their vehicles are built to last. Each RAV4 undergoes a meticulous assembly process, ensuring that every detail meets Toyota's high standards. The RAV4's engine and transmission are known for their durability, so you can drive with confidence. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring off the beaten path, the RAV4's performance remains consistently reliable. Despite its reputation, the RAV4 is surprisingly affordable. Toyota offers competitive pricing and attractive financing options, making it accessible to a wide range of buyers. You can find used models in great condition without breaking the bank. Pre-owned RAV4s maintain their value well, offering a cost-effective option for budget-conscious buyers. Plus, with its excellent fuel economy, you'll save money on gas in the long run. The RAV4's efficient design means fewer stops at the pump and more time enjoying the journey. Overall, the Toyota RAV4 is a fantastic choice for anyone seeking a reliable, practical, and affordable SUV. Its legacy of reliability and versatility makes it a standout in its class, perfect for any lifestyle. Next up, we have another heavy hitter, the Honda CR-V. The CR-V has been a top contender in its class for years, consistently receiving high marks for its durability, fuel efficiency, and overall value. Honda is known for its well-designed cabins, and the CR-V is no exception. With its high-quality materials, supportive seats, and user-friendly layout, the CR-V offers a premium driving experience. It handles well, offering a smooth and responsive ride. Plus, with its available turbocharged engine, the CR-V packs a surprising punch. The CR-V is built to last with a robust engine and transmission. Its low maintenance costs mean you'll spend less time and money at the mechanic. The Honda CR-V is a top contender for an affordable and dependable SUV. Now let's talk about an SUV that's ready for anything, the Subaru Forester. This vehicle is designed to take on whatever life throws at you, whether it's a daily commute or a weekend getaway. The Forester has built a loyal following thanks to its ruggedness, capability, and legendary all-wheel drive system. It's a vehicle that has proven itself time and time again in various challenging conditions. The Forester comes standard with Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system, providing exceptional traction and stability. This system ensures that power is distributed evenly to all 4 wheels, giving you the confidence to drive on any surface. Whether navigating snowy roads or tackling muddy trails, the Forester gives you the confidence to go anywhere. Its advanced engineering makes it a reliable companion in all weather conditions, ensuring you and your passengers stay safe and comfortable. Its spacious interior offers ample legroom and headroom for passengers, and its cargo area is generously sized. You can easily fit all your gear, groceries, or luggage, making it perfect for long trips or daily errands. The Forester consistently receives top safety ratings from the IUHS and NHTSA. These accolades are a testament to Subaru's commitment to building vehicles that prioritize your safety. With features like adaptive cruise control and automatic emergency braking, the Forester helps you stay safe on the road. These advanced safety technologies work seamlessly to prevent accidents and protect you in case of an emergency. The Subaru Forester is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable, capable, and safe SUV. Its versatility makes it suitable for both urban environments and off-the-beaten-path adventures. It's a vehicle that can handle your daily commute and weekend adventures. With the Forester, you get a perfect blend of performance, comfort, and safety, making every journey enjoyable and worry-free. Let's move on to an SUV that combines style and substance, the Mazda CX5. The CX5 has been turning heads with its sleek design and upscale interior. Mazda has done an excellent job of creating an SUV that looks and feels more expensive than it is. The interior is equally impressive, with a driver-focused cockpit and comfortable seats. Mazda is known for building vehicles that are engaging and fun to drive, and the CX5 is no exception. Its sharp handling, responsive steering, and peppy engine make it a joy to drive. The CX5 consistently ranks high in dependability studies. Its low maintenance costs mean you'll spend less time and money at the mechanic. The Mazda CX5 is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a stylish, reliable, and fun-to-drive SUV. Next up, we have an American classic, the Ford Escape. This SUV has been a staple in the American automotive landscape for years, known for its reliability and performance. The Escape has always been a popular choice for its practicality, versatility, and affordability. Whether you're heading out for a weekend adventure or just running errands around town, the Escape has the space and flexibility to meet your needs. With its updated design, refined interior, and fuel-efficient powertrains, the Escape continues to be a compelling option. The 2023 model brings a fresh look and advanced technology, making it more appealing than ever. The Escape offers a variety of powertrain options, including a fuel-efficient hybrid and a peppy turbocharged engine. These options ensure that you can find the perfect balance between power and efficiency to suit your driving style. Inside, the Escape's cabin is spacious and well-designed, with comfortable seating for up to 5 passengers. The high-quality materials and thoughtful layout make every journey enjoyable, whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a road trip. The Escape helps you stay safe on the road with its abundance of standard safety features. From advanced driver assistance systems to robust crash protection, the Escape is engineered to keep you and your loved ones secure. The Escape is built to last, with a durable engine and transmission. Its engineering ensures that it can handle the demands of daily driving and long-distance travel with ease. Its readily available parts and widespread service network mean you'll be able to keep your Escape running smoothly. Regular maintenance is straightforward, and finding a qualified technician is never a hassle. The Ford Escape is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a practical, versatile, and reliable SUV. Its blend of performance, comfort, and safety makes it a standout in its class, perfect for families, adventurers, and daily commuters alike. Last but not least, we have an SUV that offers exceptional value and reliability, the Hyundai Tucson. The Tucson has transformed into a stylish and well-rounded SUV packed with features. The Tucson's bold and modern design stands out from the crowd. Inside, the Tucson's cabin is spacious and comfortable, packed with technology and premium features. Its available turbocharged engine provides plenty of pep for merging and passing. The Tucson can handle various weather conditions with its available all-wheel drive system. The Tucson comes standard with a 5-year, 60,000-mile basic warranty and a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. The Hyundai Tucson is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a stylish, well-rounded, and reliable SUV. It's a vehicle that will impress you with its design, features, and driving dynamics. Thanks for watching. We've covered 6 amazing SUVs known for their reliability and affordability. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on reliable and affordable vehicles.